Welcome to Chuck's Bricks, home of Mr. Chuck's neighborhood, my city. And I'm nearing the end of my city rebuild. So look down the street now. There's life in the city. There's now people and vehicles and trees. So let's get out of my chair and let's get a little walk along the city. You can look along the back here. There's people out on the balconies. Everyone's got their doors open, so I guess it's a hot summer day. Let's head over to this side of the city. My Alien Arms apartment complex. All the aliens are hanging out front. Then we go over to here. We got a little coffee club going on. Okay, let's head over. We can look at our diner. There's a nice little classic car club hanging out the diner. We got a lot of people congregating outside the hospital. There's an ambulance there. There we go. Other police, fire. Let's spin around here and take a look down the street. Look at all the life in the city. Let's look a little closer at this street. We got a bunch of tourists hanging outside a hotel. Looks like there's some even alien tourists in there. You can take a carriage ride around the park. There's my park. Nice central park in the city. All the nice trees. Go across the street into a little pocket park. In the pocket park, we got some dinosaur sculptures, and behind the pocket park, we got our marina with some boats. Let's go around the pole here and see the other side of the boats, a sailboat and so on. Then the back of the fire department, we got all the firemen hanging out. The boats are just coming in. Coast Guard's going in the water, and there's a police boat and the police department. Got a lot of police officers hanging out the police department. And there, even the prisoners have their day in the sun. They're allowed out too. So there is, again, the lady painting. She's been painting for a long time, but she got letter now, so if she needs to get down, she can get down. There's our park. Whoa, what's happening to the park? Oh, they're cutting down some trees. I guess they're getting ready for next year's modulars. Don't know if it's a corner one or not, so they had to cut down 2 plates worth of trees. Hey, there's just more people out in front of the buildings. Let's see back here. There's our helicopter. Lady's mowing the lawn. Got a story to tell you. Used to have a guy that flew into work on a plane, and one day he's late to work. He's like, "Why are you late to work?" "Well, I went to land and they're mowing the runway, so I had to wait." So let's see what else we got. Just lots of people, lots of traffic. Come around here. You know, got vehicles and trees and people on my residential district. Get back into my campgrounds. Got a little food going on at the park. Got a concert in the park. I always like to do my concert in the park. There we got concert being put on by MTV. Let's see what else in the park. We got, there you got a monster truck. Got some fun and games. Skateboard park. Oh, got the outhouse. Okay, playing badminton. Let's see, we got a little fort for the kids. Little beach. Got some people out on the beach sunbathing. Got people in the water, sailboats, dolphins. Even some sharks. Better stay in. Don't want to go too far out. Guy's out stranded on the island. Too bad he's only like a foot away from the land, but there's a lighthouse. Let's see what else we got going on here. I think that's all of my city. Let's get a nice step back. get a nice overview of the whole city as it stands today. Next update, I'll be putting something new in the city because this is everything I had in my old city, and I added a few trees. That was something new that I just got. So thank you very much from Chuck's Bricks. Until we build again, please like and subscribe.